So today on the channel, we are doing the first stirred cocktail that we've done in a really long time. And guess what? I'm really excited about it. It's a Vieux Carré Riff. My name's Leandro Demon Riva. This is the Educated Barfly. I can drink 4 before I feel it. Let's get into making the cocktail. So before we get started, I'm gonna show you guys how to make a little ice ball out of a block of ice here. And what you're gonna need is a couple of gloves. You're gonna need an ice pick. This is on its way to being tempered, but just to make absolutely sure, we're just gonna take this torch. You're just gonna kind of run it along. So basically, when you do this, you want to knock all of the corners off. I like to have cocktail presentation be pretty clean. So what we are going to do, we're just going to get a clean dish towel, wet it, and then we're going to pass it back and forth like so. Oh, look at that. Okay, we made a mess of our workstation here, but look at this. This is a thing of beauty. Okay, so for the cocktail, we're gonna take a mixing glass. We're gonna do 2 dashes of Angostura bitters, 4 drops of Scrappy's Cardamom bitters. Then we're gonna take this nice cardamom syrup that we made. We're gonna do 1/4 ounce. We're gonna take some banana liqueur. We're using the Tempest Fugit, and we're gonna do 1/4 ounce as well. 3/4 ounce of cognac. And 3/4 ounce of this old Portrero that was given to us by our good friend, Marge Foyle. Thank you so much for the bottle. 3/4 ounce. We haven't done a stirred cocktail in quite some time. I forgot my stuff. Little crack on the first 2 cubes. And we're gonna give it a nice stir. All right, we're gonna get a nice frosted glass here. And gently put our ball in there, like so. And then strain this over. We're gonna do a nice peel, the likes of which Marius hasn't seen in a while, but when I like to do these kind of artful peels or whatever, I like to make sure that we do the spritz first. So we're just gonna give it a nice lemon twist, and then we're gonna cut a nice artful peel today. Trying something new, dude. Kind of cool. Kind of. Oh my God, fan-freaking-tastic. This is a brilliant riff on a Vieux Carré. And what I really like about it is that it can be done in the wintertime. It's like a nice wintertime thing, but it's also really nice for the summer. It's gonna have this really nice spiced flavor profile. You get that banana and cardamom together really make a lot of sense. It's got like a little bit of spice from the Angostura bitters, and then you really feel that rye. We used 100% rye for this one, so it's nice and spicy, and then you get that cognac kind of smoothing everything out. It's really, really brilliant cocktail. I don't know how much more I have to say about it to get you guys to go make this, but it's pretty simple, and the ingredients are real easy to come by, so there's absolutely no reason why you guys don't just go make this cocktail. So this cocktail was created by a bartender named Anthony Auger for a restaurant in Asheville, North Carolina called Benne On Green. Well, it's B-E-N-N-E. So is that Benne On Green or is it like Benne?
Benne.
Benne On Green. And Benne On Green is in a really historic section of Asheville called The Block. That's all that I know about it. It's fantastic. Anthony Auger, you're fantastic. You guys should go make this cocktail. It's brilliant. That's all I have to say about it, really, seriously. So if you like this channel, hit like, hit subscribe. I've got to first and foremost, you don't have to, this is exactly what I'm gonna start doing. First and foremost, I have to thank all of our patrons and our YouTube members. These are the people that go to the bottom of my heart and squeeze it a little bit because you guys make our channel possible. So thank you very, very much. Marius and I are incredibly grateful for you guys. So go to our website, theeducatedbarfly.com for articles, merch, our virtual bottle program. And I don't know, if you guys wanna become a patron, then become a patron. I think that would be really nice and it would help us out a lot. And you would be part of a growing community that is really helping us out. And I will see you guys on another time.
You can be part of the 1%er.
You can be part of the 1%er, that's true.